Oh, Saudi Precious Jewel as they begin. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang Chocolate Brownies. Gangadin is running by the rail. We have Precious Jewel. Kiss Kiss Bang Bang is on the outside second. Gangadin in third. Then Paladamar on the outside by Chocolate Brownies reenactment. Next in line is Lupe and Misty Loy is racing in last. Precious Jewel, Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang is on the outside, Gangadin in third. Chocolate Brownies is racing in fourth, reenactment in fifth. Then followed by Lupe and Misty Loy. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang by about a half a length. Precious Jewel is running by the second. Gangadin in third. Here comes Chocolate Brownies. Reenactment in fifth. Then followed by Gangadin. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang still the leader by only a length. Precious Jewel now trying to get closer on the outside second. Chocolate Brownies and reenactment. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang. Moving up now is Precious Jewel to take the lead. Precious Jewel takes the lead. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, Chocolate Brownies and reenactment. With Precious Jewel now racing away by about 6 lengths. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, Chocolate Brownies reenactment. And finally, it's Precious Jewel. Chocolate Brownies reenactment. Kiss Kiss, Bang Bang, Lupe, Misty Loy, and Gangadin.
Okay, bayang karerista, para dito sa ating race number 3, ating pong unofficial winner, numero 3, yan po si Precious Jewel. Nirendahan